Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up two half of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot. Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up two half of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Yo, you see why me have to always live a girl's life? You see? Because I'm hungry and you not cook nothing in the yard. Me have to eat bread bag and them thing there. Well, you know, so me Hex have a restaurant. What? Me Hex, his restaurant. He bring back some for you. Why not this? Fried chicken and rice and peas. It tastes nice. What kind of gravy? Curry. Jesus! Well, you know, so me Hex have a restaurant. He bring back some for you. Me Hex, his restaurant. What kind of gravy? Curry.
Yo, calm down now. What you do? Yeah, jealous.
You tidy up your room? Yes, mother. Oh, so the living room tidy up? Yes, me do everything what you tell me to do. Now me I do my homework. How much time I tell you, don't do nothing in the yard. Don't move, you know. Don't run. Stop doing what I tell you to do. Y'all do homework. Homework.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, like take any lane. Switch on my core if I kill any pain.
I don't think you can do any more here. That's where it stops.
You must be joking.
Say that again.
Look what you done. I'm a star boy.
Me nah wash nothing!
What you say? Eh? What you say?
Mi casa, su casa. Ay, caliente. Arriba, arriba. Mi casa.
Dog, which channel are the host decoration channel again? 872. You find out the channel? Yes, mommy, Junior, they tell me. So, you know, so from where they only just get so responsible, for real? Yeah! Why does that now? Oh my god, that nail is so big. Are you sure it can fit in my household?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I brought my drill.
Oh, I'll get to work, bad boy.
You like that?
Oh my
You
god, my
like that?
wall! Mommy, the boy Junior do it. Shut up! Shut up! I'm sure we can come to some understanding. Mommy, I really newspaper, you go take on it that you feel that I got.
Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Babes, every time we talk, I just want to get to the point. Yes, that's right. So
Kevin! Go feed the little brother. Wait, I want at me here.
Somebody a knock.
Shut up. Go feed the brother.
You just open me a mouth. I don't know. I'm going. My youth, I not like you, you know. You no bother with it, you know that.
Kevin! I want at me here. I better smell this at the man, no, cause my brother me gonna bust your ass. Carol, pass the flies out of them.
Marcia, Maron. Grandma? Me a look, grandma. Me a look.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
Hey Abu,
Hey.
let's show them how we do it in the village.
Abu! Yes, I have the girls up in my village. I am a player to my wives, scrimmage. And yes, we have the chemistry, so no need for the physics. They say my flow is sicker than the people at the clinics. Check out my beats, nothing on my feet. I should roll it, can't wheezy pretty hoes up in my brief. I should buy a couple shirts and throw the tricks atop my sleeve. But for now, I will stick to wearing leaf.
Okay, there should be absolutely no talking. Wait, go to that. On the depth. No, we hear you. We said no talking. On the depth. Nobody know me a talk. No talking. Wanna tell me a joke?
Anyways, no electronics allowed. If you are found with any electronics, you will be charged with intention to cheat. Please read through the paper thoroughly. Okay, the time is now 1 p.m. You may begin. You have 2 hours.
Wait, I want that me here. Why use calculator?
Sir, is a watch.
So why you bring a calculated watch in the exam? You're disqualified. Please leave. Leave.
I mash up if you tell me so we fi be just friends, God no. Really want to be the one to make you happy, give you your regular. Travel the world, who fi stop with no one. Mother rate me, brother, sister, everybody, but the father don't like me, cause him here she call me daddy, oh well. Spoil you, get you anything you like. Alright, long as you alright, tell me alright, me know your man, that's why I'm like you. To a woman that like, that's right. Plus you bump have the proper signs, so I keep up me there behind you, just for what you.
Excuse me, my good sir. You can't tell much about the supermarket. They're on 134.
Oh,
your money can't. Are you bread that? That stinks.
Rosa!
What you say?
Yes.
That stinks.
Yes.
That stinks.
Out of your mouth, man.
it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.